Acrylic is a versatile material that you encounter in everyday life, from furniture and windows to paints and crafts. It is a type of synthetic polymer known for its transparency, durability, and flexibility. Often referred to as plexiglass, acrylic can mimic the clarity of glass while being much lighter and more impact-resistant. Acrylic is used in a variety of applications, including construction, signage, art, and even medical devices. Understanding what acrylic is, how it's made, and its properties helps explain why it has become one of the most popular materials in both industry and everyday products. In this video, we'll explore the composition, types, advantages, and real-world uses of acrylic, showing why it's such a widely relied upon material. Acrylic is made from a synthetic polymer called polymethyl methacrylate, or PMMA. The production process begins with the polymerization of methyl methacrylate monomers, which are combined under controlled conditions with catalysts to form long molecular chains. This process can be done using either bulk polymerization, where the monomer is polymerized in molds to create solid sheets, or by cell casting, which produces thicker, high-quality acrylic blocks. Another common method is extrusion, where melted acrylic is pushed through a die to form continuous sheets, which can then be cut and shaped. The result is a clear, lightweight material that can be molded, cut, polished, or colored without losing its transparency or strength. Acrylic's manufacturing process allows for customization in thickness, color, and surface finish, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. Its versatility in production is one reason acrylic has become so popular in both industrial and artistic settings. During manufacturing, additives can be included to improve UV resistance, impact strength, or scratch resistance, further enhancing its durability. Acrylic can be polished to achieve a crystal-clear finish that rivals glass. Its ability to be thermoformed allows for creative shapes and complex designs. The precision in production ensures that acrylic sheets are uniform, consistent, and suitable for professional applications in signage, architecture, and art. Acrylic has several properties that make it a popular alternative to glass and other plastics. It is lightweight, weighing about half as much as glass, yet it is much more impact-resistant, making it safer for many applications. Acrylic is highly transparent, allowing up to 92% of visible light to pass through, which gives it glass-like clarity. It is also resistant to UV rays, weathering, and many chemicals, making it suitable for outdoor use and industrial applications. Acrylic can be easily cut, drilled, polished, and thermoformed, giving designers and artists flexibility in creating custom shapes and surfaces. Its durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal make it ideal for uses ranging from windows and protective screens to display cases and furniture. Additionally, acrylic is relatively low maintenance, as it doesn't shatter like glass and can be cleaned with mild soap and water. Overall, these properties combine to make acrylic both practical and visually appealing across a wide range of applications. Acrylic's lightweight nature also reduces shipping and installation costs, making it economical for large projects. Its clarity and ability to hold color or texture make it a favorite in creative and architectural design. Acrylic comes in several types, each designed for specific uses. Cast acrylic is made by pouring liquid monomer into molds, producing thick, high-quality sheets ideal for displays, aquariums, and art projects. Extruded acrylic is manufactured by pushing melted acrylic through a die, creating thinner sheets suitable for signage, protective barriers, and decorative panels. There's also colored, frosted, and mirrored acrylic, which adds design flexibility for creative projects, interior decor, and lighting applications. Acrylic is widely used in architecture for windows, skylights, and partitions because of its strength, clarity, and UV resistance. In the art world, acrylic paint, made from pigment suspended in acrylic polymer emulsion, is known for its vibrant colors, fast drying time, and durability on various surfaces. Other applications include protective screens, signage, furniture, and even medical devices, showing how versatile this material truly is. Overall, the different types of acrylic allow it to meet both functional and aesthetic needs across industries. Acrylic offers several advantages over glass and other materials, making it a preferred choice in many applications. It is much lighter than glass, reducing shipping, handling, and installation difficulties, while also being highly impact-resistant, which makes it safer in case of accidents. Unlike glass, acrylic can be easily cut, shaped, drilled, and polished, allowing for custom designs and creative projects. It also resists yellowing and UV damage better than many plastics, making it suitable for outdoor applications. Acrylic maintains excellent optical clarity while being more durable and less brittle than glass, giving it both aesthetic appeal and practicality. Additionally, it is cost-effective compared to other specialty plastics, offering a balance of performance, beauty, and affordability. These qualities make acrylic ideal for windows, displays, protective barriers, furniture, signage, and countless other uses where glass might be impractical. In summary, acrylic is a versatile, durable, and visually appealing material that has become essential in both industrial and creative applications. Its lightweight nature, impact resistance, and ease of fabrication make it a practical alternative to glass and other plastics. Acrylic's clarity, ability to be colored or textured, and compatibility with a wide range of production methods allow it to be used in everything from windows, partitions, and signage to furniture, aquariums, and artistic projects. Whether in architecture, design, or art, acrylic combines functionality with aesthetic flexibility. Understanding its properties, types, and advantages helps you choose the right material for your project, ensuring both beauty and durability. Ultimately, acrylic's unique combination of strength, clarity, and versatility makes it a material that continues to be widely used and trusted across industries worldwide.